And for this, you can just go back to chatgpt.com. Remember, at the beginning, at step number 1, I told you to sign up to chatgpt.com. Well, now you can check out these pages over here on Instagram. Like this one has 1.5 million followers. They're getting a lot of traffic from this page, and the creator has never really shown their face. So what I need you to do is go to one of these pages and take a screenshot of these quotes. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this, then I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to take another screenshot. There's other pages as well. Like you can just go to the search bar on Instagram and you can search for quotes pages or motivation pages. And here's another one over here. These guys are killing it. Like these are just posting these very, very simple quotes, and they're just getting millions of views on these. So what we're going to do is we want to go here back to ChatGPT, click on attach files. To attach files, you need to first of all register an account for free to ChatGPT. And you're going to say, looking at these examples, write 100 inspiring and motivational quotes that are very similar to these, make them simple to understand, and don't use complex words. And based on these screenshots, ChatGPT is going to do exactly that. And by the way, we know that this is proven to work. I'm making money. Thousands of people watching these videos are making money online, but there's always going to be someone in the comments that's going to say, yeah, but this doesn't work. And those are the people that are lazy to do the work. So if you see them in the comments, don't get discouraged, because we get hundreds of messages per week from people who are making money online doing these things. It's all completely free. And as you're following this, you understand this is affiliate marketing. There's nothing here that is out of this world that shouldn't work. If it works for millions of people, why wouldn't it work for you? So basically, we're now getting over 100 quotes over here. So we're going to take these quotes and we're going to go over to Canva, go to the search bar, search for Instagram quote or Instagram quotes. And there's going to be a few templates to choose from. Let's go ahead and just select some very, very simple one. I like the ones that they use on the other page where it's just text. So something like this. I'm going to customize this template. I'm also going to use my brand colors. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to change the color. You can, of course, use your very own colors, whatever you choose, whatever you prefer. You can also enter your own username. And then right over here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to the apps on the left-hand side, go to the search bar and search for bulk create. Now, when you do that, click on bulk create right over here, click on enter data manually. Now just delete the email column just like this, go to the name part and just insert quote. So you just want to type in quote and just insert all of the quotes here. Now, as you can see, we have over 100 quotes now. So I'm going to click done. And when I do that, I'm just going to select text on the right-hand side. So I'm selecting the quote over here, and we want to click on connect data, and we want to select quote. And then when you do that and you click continue, as you can see, we're going to be able to generate over 100 quotes with one press of a button. So now I just need to wait for it to load. And this is pretty much the same kind of quotes that these guys are posting on their Instagram page that are getting results. So if we go back, we scroll to this, you can see 100 different designs with 100 different quotes instantly. So click share, click download, and you want to download this as a PNG file, and you want to download all 100 pages. So this is going to be onto your computer in a zip file. So when it loads, you're just going to have to double click on the zip file so that it unloads, and you're going to have all of the 100 images just like this. Here they are all in this one folder. Now remember, we're using social media to get traffic, to get eyeballs to our free document that we built. So now you just have to take this free document where you're not even selling anything, you're literally telling people to go ahead and get access to a free checklist where they can learn how to make money from YouTube Shorts. And they have everything they need, all of the templates and resources and prompts that are all free.